Let's see if we can make this thing work. This is the first power on of the Zenith 7S529. Okay, we're on dim bulb, variac, and well, I don't know why I turned that off. Let's turn this back on. Set it about half volume. And let's juice her up. We have the tubes that came with the radio installed. And let's see, except for the 6F6. They're up to 50 volts. 6F6 that came with it was shorted. So we have a replacement for that. And since they all worked when I got it, didn't work very well, I mean, you know, but anyway, we'll see if it even works now. Alright, let's crank it up a little bit more. Oh, let's turn my high voltage check on over there. And it's climbing. Up to 46. 80 volts. Getting the dim glow in the tubes. Excuse me. New glow from the dim bulb, which is a 75 watt bulb. Turns to 154 volts there. Let's move us up to 60. No glow. Go up to 80. Seems to me it started working there before. Got 200 volts on the B+. I have some noise. I have static. I don't have any reception, so I'll go up to 90. I'm not sure the antenna is making connection. Volts it ought to work. 214 on the B+. Make sure we're in the broadcast band here. No, we're all automatic. That's not good. How about that? Put it on the right band. Oh, that's a local station. Let's see if we take it up to 110. 220 couple volts on the little girl. What's your name? And we'll take it off there so we don't get a hoogie woogie violation. Got a little dim bulb. And we're in my basement, and I have absolutely, well, maybe 10% reception down here, so they're doing good so far. So I don't know how much that audio is being picked up. Tone controls. Well, they seem to work. We're around 110 to the dim bulb. We can take it up a little more through the dim bulb. Take it to 120. Okay. Yeah, that doesn't sound impressive. Of course, it's kind of middle of the day, like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Well, at least there's a noise there. It's kind of dead quiet at the top of that band, so I'm not hoping anything for this band. Whoa, that's good. Wish I didn't. I don't have the push buttons into that position. Kind of noisy, I guess. And this shouldn't make any difference. Better not. Yeah, I think that's the local station. I No, let me see how I stole. It's still a little tight. Alright, let's see if we can't get the antenna hooked up here.